Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a payment method based on customer tag using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful if you want different payment option for wholesale, VIP or retail customers. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So for the payment method, we can choose quick hide payment method. So to configure the rule, here we can give the rule name like hide COD for specific customers like or customer with tag. Okay, the role status is activated and we can give the payment method. Here I'm giving the cash on deliveries and selected. Then give the condition like here customer tag, then add the condition. So here you can give like VIP. Okay, so the customer with VIP tag will hide the cash on delivery. Before that, we can go to the checkout section and see if there is cash on delivery option or not. Yeah, here it is. So this customer, I think that will be VIP customer. So we can click on save. Okay, another role is created. Now go to the checkout section and here we can refresh it. Okay, the cash on delivery option is hidden now because this customer is VIP tag customer. So the rule applied is successfully done. So we can just give like gift. Okay, then click on enter and click on save. Now the rule is updated. Now go to the checkout section and let refresh it. Okay, here the cash on delivery option did not hidden because this tag is not for this customer. So that's it. So the customer without this tag will still see the payment method as usual. You can see here. So that's it. I think you understand this. So customer tag let you create a different checkout experience for different customer groups such as wholesale, VIP or retail customers without affecting everyone. So that's it. Now you have successfully hidden a payment method based on customer tag using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.